Take it off the screen. We're in, let's see, we're in session in cause number 329-496. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Armando Garcia Sosa. We have Mr. Armando Garcia Sosa, who is present in the courtroom. Mr. Sosa, how are you doing?
Good.
You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Garcia Sosa, I see here you're supposed to hire, your case was reset to hiring an attorney, is that correct?
Yes. I couldn't hire anybody. Couldn't afford it.
Okay. So you know you have three options. First option is if you desire to hire an attorney, the case will be reset. Second option, if you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you may apply for a court-appointed attorney. And the third option is if you desire to waive your right to an attorney, you can represent yourself. Do you understand your options? Okay. And what is your desire? Okay, so he needs to fill out the judge's explanation and the waiver again. And you can just, he's gonna give you that on the clipboard, you can have a seat. You can fill it out, and once you fill it out, then we'll come back to your case. Alicia Ramsey. Okay, your name is Alicia Danielle Ramsey?
Yes.
Okay, how you doing, Miss Ramsey?
I'm good, thank you.
That's good, Miss Ramsey. You're here and you're represented by your attorney, Miss Lori Perazzo. She's appearing via Zoom.
Yes.
Miss Perazzo, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Miss Perazzo. Miss Ramsey's case is on the court's announcement docket. Do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Miss Ramsey's case?
Yes, Your Honor. We just received an offer today in this case, and so I would like to ask that her case be placed on the next available plea docket.
Okay. Could you get, what is that date?
November 29th.
Okay, that case is, your case is going to be reset to November 29th. Miss Ramsey, you can stand on the 4X, and once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, and Miss Perazzo, your reset will be sent to you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, Miss Perazzo, is this your only case today?
I also have Jadlyn Pittman. I did speak with her earlier. She said that she may be running a few minutes late.
Okay, yes. Oh, the bailiff is going to check to see if she's arrived.
She might already be there. Just
Yeah, he's going to check again.
thank you, Judge.
Yeah, she's here. Well, we're in session in clause number 328-604. The case is styled of state of Texas versus Jadlyn Pittman.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Pittman, how are you doing?
Yeah.
I'm doing fine. Ms. Pittman, you're represented by your attorney, Ms. Lori Perazzo. She's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Perazzo, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Pittman's case?
Yes, sir. We have also received an offer in her case as well, but I would like to go ahead and request pretrial diversion and see if that opportunity is available to her. So if I could have another 30-day reset.
Well, what we'll do, we'll reset it to the next pretrial date, which will probably, well, not the next one, because the next one's gonna be next week, but we're gonna reset it to the one after that, which is gonna be December. Okay, so we're gonna give you a December date.
Okay.
Give you time to apply and see whether or not she's accepted or rejected.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
December 13th.
Okay, that case will be reset to December 13th of 2021. Ms. Pittman, you can get your reset from our court coordinator on the 4X. And once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Perazzo, your reset will be sent to you. And Ms. Perazzo, this will conclude your case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge. You as well.
All right, thank you. Okay, we in session in two cases on our motion to revoke probation docket. First case is cause number 315996 and cause number 317636. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Larry Darnell McCulley. We have Mr. McCulley appearing via Zoom with his attorney, Mr. Dustin Galmore, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. McCulley, how are you doing?
Hello. Hello, how are you doing, Judge Holmes?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And
Yes.
Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Could we check and see if there's bond conditions? Okay, now, let's see, Mr. Gilliam and Mr. Boyd, was the state and the probation officer have a recommendation in Mr. McCulley's cases?
Yes, Your Honor, the state and probation officer recommending revocation in this case.
Okay, you're recommending revocation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Galmore, what is the, your announcement? Oh, yes, two cases.
Well, there's two cases, but only one case has bond condition. In 2018.
Yeah. He probably had that as a condition of his, he has two DWI seconds.
Yes,
Are
Your
both
Honor.
of them motion to revoke probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct.
We're running concurrently initially.
Okay. So I guess in the terms and condition of his probation, he obviously was ordered to have a intoxilizer, right?
That's
I mean,
correct.
interlock.
Yes.
Okay. I'll just check. Okay, so Mr. Galmore, what is your announcement?
Your Honor, this is our first appearance. It's my understanding that since the filing of this motion, there have been some things completed on his behalf regarding money, community service, and I believe he is in the process of taking a class. What we'd ask for is if we get one continuance so that those things can be completed and we can readdress the situation at their next court date.
Okay, how much time are you asking for?
Just a normal reset, Your Honor.
Okay, could you give us?
November 12th.
Okay, this case is going to be reset to November 12th of 2021. Mr. Galmore, the reset will be sent to you. And Mr. McCulley,
Yes, sir.
stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
This will conclude your cases. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now, Mr. McCulley, let me reiterate that even though the state has filed motions to revoke your probation, you're still on probation. Your probation has not been revoked.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
in the process of completing everything
Okay.
that I have going.
Okay, I just
Yes.
want you to know that because sometimes some people think they offer probation.
Oh,
All right.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So, Mr. Galmore, again, the reset will be sent to you. Now, Mr. Galmore, do you have any other cases?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Galmore, you're free to go and your reset will be sent to you and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You have a blessed day too.
And you have a blessed day as well, Mr. McCulley. You're free to go as well.
Yes, sir. You too, Judge Holmes. Thank you.
All right. Okay. come on up. The court is now in session in clause number 323998. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Luther Edmondson.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Edmondson?
I'm all right.
That's good, Mr. Edmondson. I see here, there's a note on our docket sheet that said your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Have you hired an
No,
attorney?
sir.
Okay, why haven't you hired an attorney?
Because it's been being kind of hard on me right now. I'm just the only parent in the house.
Okay, so you still want to hire an
Yes, sir.
attorney? So you just need some more time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much time do you need?
About a week or two.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a month.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you more than a week. Actually, it's probably gonna be more than a month. Give us a reset date. No, the case is gonna be reset to November 12th.
Yes, sir.
Is that sufficient time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your case is gonna be reset to November 12th of 2021. To give you an opportunity to hire an attorney, Mr. Edmondson. You can stand on the 4X in front of our court coordinator. Once she give you a reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
You can sign for me, Wendy. You won't be able to see it, but I can. There you go.